We go on to a game called Sound Effects. This is for Colin and Ryan. Colin is going to be doing an everyday activity, and Ryan will be providing the sound effects using this microphone. And it's 1 minute before your date is arriving. That's an everyday activity for some people. And away you go. Thank you very much. What happened there?
Quite glad you had time to add that on.
It's a crazy country, America. Even meeting a date turned into a mass shooting. But there it is. I'll give you 53 points.